boxes. My brother the Nerf Guns, plastic cups. Hi guys, it's Bro Sis Kids TV. Don't forget that. Kids TV, yeah. And today my little sister's gonna do practice for this challenge. Then when my little sister is done with the practice, then she's gonna call me in this channel. You go and get some practice. Alright, practice time. You need to stand here and shoot. That's close one. That was a close one. Alright, try it again. We need help on that. Here you go. And load it. Hit it cup. Use the scope. You need to use scopes. You just see that practice. Now Vika's definitely ready for the challenge. Let's stack back the cups. You can tell actually. Look, there's one falling down guy there. That's a falling down there. Now, I'm going to tell the challenge. So the challenge is that we have all of these cups in character set. How much the person hits, they're going to write their score on the paper. In the end, we're going to count out how much damage. I'll give one. No, that was practice, okay? In the end, we're going to count all scores. Whoever wins is winner. And we will have 9 tries each, okay? Now, let's start. Vika's going to go first. Stand here, yeah. Back that bigger cup. Try one more time. First you did practice. You did really good hitting the red cups. What about you hit the light blue, and purple one? Or the biggest tall one of characters. Load it. Cool. That was epic. Actually, it's going back in the cup. Going back in the cup. I don't want to spill these cups. There we go. Got the bullet. Now, try again. Because you make mistakes on the first run, you have 5 tries to make them count. And all the rounds. Cool. Shoot it! 4 try for Vika. Oh. There it goes. Get it. Yeah, shoot. It made the noise, but it didn't fall. 5th try, the last try. 5th try. I'm gonna sit here. Let's check. Put in the end. Now, I will put it definitely. Whoa. The biggest cup. I hit all of them. You see that? 3 down. I need to find the ammo. Where did I put it? There's 2 ammos. Now your turn is round 2 for Avika. I'm gonna wait. I'm noise because you're going to have 1.5 point. Right there. When I'm going to play 1.5. Extra half. I'm gonna blast it. Why don't you try one more time? One tiny try. Okay, 1.5. You hit it. I'll do it this time. And this sticker says, good job. That's what you can ask. This gun can light up, look. Like you see? I think that the batteries are out of the light, but the gun still works. Okay, 1.5 it is, guys. I'll get to win. She's gonna say, I'm gonna win the next round. All right, it's round 2. It's round 2 for me, and let's go. And the first one I got 3. What about I'm gonna win black cups. I'm gonna win this round and get more tn 3. What about I hit 4 because I have 5 tries? We try again. Try again. The person don't hit it, they have to try again. It's a good job. Wow. Why can I hit good? I thought he'd be really noisy. The black, that bigger one. The bigger cups there. No. Come on, look. I was going to win black that cups. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now let's shoot the cups. Only one? That's not fair. Only one. Yours is round 3. Now let's try 1. That's right. It's round 3 for Avika. The practice was round 1 for her. Here you go. It made a noise. 1.5 again. 1.5 again. You're having all the 1.5. But it'll be kitten skate. Don't think that I heard you. I heard you. I'm going to be really quiet. What about she's right or wrong? There's a tiny bullet in there. All right, my turn. I have to get a win. Like button, I bet you get black. The bigger one or smaller ones. The black cup. And comment down below that. Yeah, but you kind of will. All right, let's shoot the cups, guys. Brother, you're going to blast our cups today. Like button. No opinions, all right? Let me shoot the cups. Round 2nd try. Hit the piece of paper. Hit the piece of paper. All right, let's round. Hit 2. Nope. I hit the wall. Yeah, that's right. I'll play Nerf Guns. No Nerf Guns. Alright guys, now I'm going to shoot the cups. This gun. Now it's my try 3 to hit those cups down. 1.5 for me because it made a noise. Longer it makes a noise, you can have it makes 2 times. 1.5 for me. And we're going to buy a 1 cup of door and Nerf Gun and 2 pizzas. Like button. Press that like button and subscribe. Alright, your round is your subscribe. Round 4 for Avika. Go hit it. Try to. Oh. Fall down. Don't get it. Try to for Avika. I'm gonna sit here and wait for Kenshi hit. You need help on that? Alright, give it to me. Subscribe that you like this gun. Or subscribe if you like that gun, the yellow one. You moved the pencils? Yeah. Should that be count? Yeah. I think that should be count. That should be count. You hit anything on the table, that should be count. So that's going to be 1 point for her. And the 2 rounds. In the 2 rounds that she did, she hit 1.5. Jumping moves today. Jumping moves? I'd never heard of that. My turn. Dab. Where are you going? It's my round 4. Try to. I did hit the pencil. 1 point for me. Your point for you. Oops. Now is round restroom. Watch part 2 to see I finish up 5 of each. And subscribe that I win or subscribe that she win.